Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK. And so here we are looking at the daily chart on the morning of Thursday, April 4th, and the current price is right around $2.90 so far on the day, being up about 2.3%. And we can see that the price is up following a bounce from the 50% level of this Fibonacci retracement, which was at a price of $2.67, having hit a low yesterday on the 3rd of $2.73, and the previous day on the 2nd hitting a low of exactly that 50% level at 276. So it does look like that level did act as support, which is what I suggested in last week's video when we had hit the top of this downtrend at a price of $3.14. That was the target that I was expecting the price to go to before pulling back. And, not all of my calls are good. This one does seem like it was. And so since we have pulled back to that 50% level, I did also add the 382 as well as the 236 because they may be significant as far as finding some resistance or consolidating at the next level up. And so if we do look at the 382, that is at a price of $2.85. Current price is above that, so I would look for that to hold as support. Ideally, we don't get a close today or tomorrow below 285, ideally above 285, so 286 or higher. And then if we do look at the 236, that is at a price of $2.96.1. So far on the day, the high is $2.94. So just a couple cents below that level. And then because actually going up a little bit, so now $2.94.5. So if we can get a close above 296.1 or really like 297, that would be really good, and that would be following and move to the upside. So that could be bullish consolidation before it does break out from this downtrend. And then I did also add this Fibonacci retracement here in yellow. I did mark the 50% level, which is at $2.93.5, so right around current price. I am wondering if that will be acting as resistance, as the 50% level here did act as support, might be acting as resistance on the way up. And then I also did include the 1618 extension at a price of $3.39.3, because if we are able to break out from this downtrend, I am wondering if we could be getting to $3.39. But of course, we would have to be getting past $3.14. And if we can't, that could be forming a double top, which would then suggest further downside. But given that if we do hit that level, we would be outside of this downtrend, we would be above it, and so maybe we would pull back to test that as support before continuing up to 239. But before I do close the video, I did want to just zoom out so you can see where that downtrend does originate from, going from the high here hit on November 16th, and then the high here hit on February 15th. So you could draw that downtrend on your own chart if you would like. Did get a couple fake out breaks, but we have not yet seen a breakout with confirmation, as here, we almost did, but this close on the 13th was below that downtrend or right at it. And so getting a close above it the following day, that was not the confirmation signal. We needed to see not only one close above the downtrend, but a following close above that day's high. And so the confirming close would have been a close above $3.51, which was the high hit on March 14th. So we did not see that, as you can clearly see. We saw this big red candle and actually a gap to the downside. So if we do break above this downtrend, hopefully we see a confirming close that would then suggest further upside. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.